half of you will leave this video in first 2 minutes. Only 3% of you will watch any long form video through to the end. Think about it just for a minute. Most of you will click away from this video, trapped by another notification or a fresh new content, some shiny new dopamine hit. I don't blame you. Your brain, my brain is all getting sucked by. हमारा ब्रेन हजारों सालों में बना है टू फुलफिल जस्ट वन पर्पस, टू फोकस ऑन व्हाट मैटर्स द मोस्ट एंड फिल्टर आउट व्हाट डजंट. व्हेन ही सीज अ प्रेडेटर और अ पॉसिबल प्रे, हिज ब्रेन रिलीजेस अ केमिकल कॉल्ड डोपामिन. और हजारों सालों के बाद हमारा ब्रेन अभी भी वैसा ही है, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रेडेटर जो हमें कभी कभी ही दिखते थे, आवर ब्रेन इज बम्बार्डेड विद द सेम केमिकल, नॉट फॉर फाइंडिंग फूड्स एंड अवॉइडिंग द डेंजर, बट फॉर दिस.
किस कलर की चड्डी पहने हो? और अपनी छवि सुधार. मम्मी कैसी है?
Triggering a response with each hit. Our brain can't tell a difference between a life and death scenario or a funny video. दोनों नोवेल्टी हैं, दोनों वही सेम केमिकल रिलीज करेंगे. ये एक ऐसी नेवर एंडिंग साइकिल बन जाती है कि हम ऐसे कंटेंट को सीख करते हैं जिसका हमारी लाइफ में कोई यूज नहीं है, बट वो हमें डोपामिन हिट देता है. हमारे ब्रेन को थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर लग गए थे ऐसा बनने में, बट आफ्टर दिस कंटेंट एंड स्पेशली आफ्टर द रिलीज ऑफ द स्मार्टफोन्स, वी कॉन्स्टेंटली सीक कंटेंट दैट रिलीजेस डोपामिन. व्हाट इट डज इज हमारा अटेंशन डिवाइड हो रहा है और अब डीप फोकस बहुत अननेचुरल और इम्पॉसिबल चीज हो गई. आई थिंक नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ब्रेन रॉट इज. अब ये तुम्हारे दिमाग को अफेक्ट कैसे कर रहा है. मार्शन मैक्लुहन, कैनेडियन फिलोसोफर, said medium is the message. It means how the message is presented will affect us more than the message itself. It becomes true more than ever today. Before we had TV, newspaper and radio, but now the landscape is dominated by the platform which are made from scratch to show you short burst of video, 30-second clip, vertical feed. और ये सब तुम्हें information provide करने या value देने के लिए नहीं, just to keep you engaged as much as possible. More shock, more attention, more dopamine. The end goal is not to provide you fun, but to train your brain. तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारे पास कंट्रोल है, what you watch, what you think, but they are choosing what you watch, what you buy, how much time you waste and even how you think. Through this short burst of dopamine, हमारा brain real time में rewire हो रहा है and making critical thinking impossible. Have you seen these kids who speak the language of memes?
TikTok, but like, just let us cook, you know what I'm saying? Like, there I am, like, let me cook, cuzzo. What's up, bro? You trying to get an autograph or what? Like,
Why would you call her bro?
what's up, blood? You trying to get an autograph?
Why would you call her blood and broke?
What's up, shawty? You trying to get an autograph right now?
Memes are not a funny video or a funny photo that you laugh at, but something that shapes your worldview. But these kids who are born with this technology, they can't focus on a single class, study shows, they can't read, they can't watch anything without getting distracted. वो ऐसी चीजें देखते ही नहीं जिनमें उन्हें immediately reward ना मिले. मैंने literally कुछ टाइम पहले देखा था, 20 सेकंड की वीडियो में लिखा था wait for it. Dude, where we are now, we need the rewards immediately. Study shows that the rise of anxiety, restlessness and lack of boredom are directly linked with the rise of the social media. We can't even get bored now. Boredom that lead to the creation of this very world that we live in. हम एक मिनट के लिए भी बोर नहीं हो सकते थे. I literally see some people get anxious if they leave their phone at home. I don't blame them entirely. वो वेट भी क्यों करेंगे अगर वो तुरंत रिवॉर्ड पा सकते हैं. And now what are the solution? सबसे पहले कोई भी ऐप ओपन करने से पहले Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, डिड्यूस करो कि तुम उस ऐप पे करना क्या चाहते हो. Don't open an app if you are just bored. Don't let algorithm decide what you watch. If you are driven by curiosity, you can find some hidden gems, some learning lessons in this social media platform too. I hope my channel does that. If you know you want to do something, like if you want to learn how to play a flute, go on social media and search that. Don't get distracted by the short feed, clickbaity thumbnail and engaging titles. उसके बाद don't just sit on that information, spread it. अगर तुम्हें कुछ यूजफुल पता चल रहा है, make tweet about it, make a video about it. अपने दोस्तों से डिस्कस करो उस बारे में. Don't just sit on that information. The best way to solve this problem is to be a creator, not a consumer. Create more, consume less. If you are doing this, you are actively fighting this shit and becoming more creative at the same time. Another thing that you can do is to make a time and space to use these things. तुम इन चीजों पर अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर सकते हो, but you have to be mindful about it. You have to set a certain timer कि मैं टाइम वेस्ट करूंगा. And don't be that retard जो टाइमर तो सेट करता है, बस जब भी वो टाइमर खत्म होता है हर बार उसको रीसेट कर देता है. Respect that shit. And finally, be more social and talk to real people in real life. Isn't it funny that we have more online friends than real friends? अगर हमें कभी बुरा लगता है तो हम किसी को कॉल करते हैं या मैसेज करते हैं, उनसे मिलने नहीं जाते. हमारे पास कई लोग ऐसे भी हैं जिनके पास कोई ऐसा दोस्त ही नहीं है जिससे वो उस कुछ भी शेयर कर सकें. If you are one of them, तुम्हें अच्छे दोस्त की जरूरत है. You don't need a girlfriend, you don't need a boyfriend, you need a real friend. So work on these things and get to work.